In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple zoom in and zoom out effect in Premiere Pro. After you've added your video clip to the timeline, double-click inside the preview window. You'll see a blue circle appear. That's your anchor point. Drag it to the area you want the zoom to focus on. Now go to the beginning of the clip and open the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, just go to the top menu, click on Window, and make sure Effect Controls is checked. That will open it. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale. This adds your first keyframe. Move your playhead forward by about 2 seconds and increase the scale to 150. This creates a second keyframe and gives you a smooth zoom in. To create the zoom out, simply copy the last keyframe, the one with the 150 scale. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom out to begin, and paste the keyframe there. Then, move the playhead forward another 2 seconds, and copy and paste the original keyframe, the one with scale at 100. If you want the zoom to happen faster, just move the keyframes closer together in the Effect Controls panel. The shorter the distance between keyframes, the quicker the animation. This way, you quickly create a clean zoom in and zoom out animation without manually adding new keyframes or adjusting values.